Welcome to the Copperfield Electric Podcast. This is the brief on charging an EV if you live in an apartment. We're Copperfield Electric, your family-owned 24/7 local electricians serving Orange County, places like Irvine, Anaheim, and Costa Mesa. So as EVs really surge in popularity, apartment residents are hitting a pretty major roadblock when it comes to charging, making smart electrical solutions more crucial than ever. First, let's look at the infrastructure hurdle. Older apartment buildings just weren't built for EVs. They usually lack the electrical capacity and individual meters on in shared parking lots. So adding chargers usually requires major electrical panel upgrades, plus load management to avoid totally overloading the system. Second, there are absolutely practical solutions for renters. With your property manager's approval, you can actually install a dedicated Level 2 charger right in your assigned spot. Or you can use cost-effective shared EV chargers installed by the building and parking garages, or just rely on public DC fast-charging networks. Finally, let's talk about the local fix. Copperfield Electric specializes in solving these exact problems, providing professional EV charger installations and those really vital electrical panel upgrades for residential spaces and commercial businesses all across Southern California. So while apartment EV charging definitely requires some coordination and a few electrical upgrades, partnering with the right local experts makes transitioning to electric completely seamless.